Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be showing the brake bleeding procedure for brake calipers with 2 bleeder screws. Let's get right into it. All right, so when it comes to bleeding brakes for brake calipers with 2 bleeder screws, a few different methods or processes how to get this done. You can use the gravity bleed method, you can bleed the brakes with a power bleeder, or you can use the tried and true 2-person method. And that's what we're gonna show today. It's a very simple process, whether you're switching calipers in means of an upgrade, you're having to replace braking components, or you're just doing some routine maintenance in terms of a brake flush. As far as tools are concerned, you don't need a lot. I'll leave a list down in the description for you, as well as any links for anything that you see in the video that you could purchase from LMR.com. To begin, you'll want to safely support the vehicle with the lift or jack stands. Go ahead and remove all 4 of the wheels. Open the hood and locate the master cylinder. First, clean up any dirt or debris around the cap. Open the cap and top off the fluid to the max line with the appropriate fluid for your application. Reinstall the cap just for the peace of mind. Start at the brake caliper furthest from the master cylinder, which is the passenger side rear. Remove the bleeder caps if equipped and install some clear tubing with the appropriate diameter over the inner bleeder screw. The other end of the tube needs to be connected to a collection device. Position the correct size line wrench over the bleeder screw. Have the second person pump the brake pedal 3 times and hold. Make sure they verbally communicate this. While they're holding the caliper, open the bleeder to push either air or fluid through the tubing. I usually count in my head 1/1000, 2/1000, and then close the bleeder screw. Repeat this until fluid starts to flow consistently. Remove the tubing and then install it over the outside bleeder. Repeat the same procedure. Whenever you're ready to move to the next caliper, make sure you wipe up any brake fluid with a microfiber towel and brake clean. Top off the master cylinder with fresh fluid. Now we can move to the driver's side rear caliper. Go ahead and repeat the same bleeding procedure. Pump the brake pedal 3 times and hold. Inside bleeder first, pump and hold again, then the outside bleeder. Top off the master cylinder with fresh fluid. The next caliper to bleed is the passenger front. Go ahead and repeat the same bleeding procedure. Once you're finished with the passenger side caliper, top off the brake fluid and move to the driver's side front caliper. Repeat the same process and then top off the master cylinder. Typically, I recommend going another round just because I like the peace of mind of knowing that I accomplished a good bleed. A second round may also be needed if you're removing the old fluid from the system. Whenever you're content, make sure all the brake fluid at each caliper is wiped clean and then reinstall all of the bleeder caps. Verify one more time that the master cylinder is topped off and then reinstall the cap. Reinstall the wheels and run down the lug nuts. Get the car on the ground and torque the lug nuts to factory spec. After that, you're good to go. All right, people, so wrapping things up here, this one's pretty simple, to the point. If you found value in this video, be sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things 79 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.